So you had a long day at work and you're tired. And I get it. The last thing you want to do is go to the kitchen to make a dinner. But you really shouldn't be eating out again. Well, you're going to want to know this recipe that I have for you today because it's easy and pretty quick. And you don't have to peel your mushrooms like I do. I just find it relaxing. Come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to make this quick, delicious dish. Bonjour, y'all. I'm Miss Kate, and this is Go Cuisine. Here we make cooking fun, easy, and adventurous. Let's dive in. Tonight we're making a sheet pan dinner. If you've never made a sheet pan dinner, let me tell you, they're great. You use one pan and you cook all of your ingredients on it in the oven. Now I've lined my sheet pan with some nonstick foil. You can use parchment if you like, but either way, it really helps with the cleanup. Now, some of these sheet pan recipes are fussier than others. This one is really quick. And don't worry, I'll have all the ingredients listed for you at the end. So basically, I take some grape tomatoes, or you can use cherry tomatoes, dump them on a tray, along with some gnocchi. I use the shelf-stable gnocchi for this, and just go ahead and break them up because they get stuck. I use the pantry gnocchi because it's something you can keep on hand for those nights where you need a quick dinner. Next, we'll dump on those mushrooms that we were peeling and slicing earlier. Don't leave anybody behind, and just stir it all together along with some onion. And then just get in there and toss everybody around together. Give it a good mix. Next, we're going to top it with our seasonings. I'm going to use some Italian seasoning here. You can use whatever you like. Herbe de Provence would even be good. But an oregano for me is a must on this one. Don't forget salt and pepper. You can add in a couple of garlic cloves here, or you can put garlic powder. Up to you. Red pepper flakes will give it a kick. You can go crazy and add a lot, or you can add a little bit. And this is really kind of customizable because you can put what you like. Next, we'll drizzle on some olive oil. Use a good quality. Honestly, I don't measure it anymore. I just kind of eyeball it, but you want a good tablespoon or two here, maybe even a little bit more. Remember, this is making our sauce in the oven. And then we'll give this another toss. I'm going to use a spoon this time because I don't like having oily hands. The goal here is to distribute the seasonings and the olive oil as evenly as you can. We are going to put this into a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Then you want to spread everything out into an even layer. If you see any more clumped together gnocchi, pull them apart and get this out in a nice even layer on the pan. Then we'll place this in the oven. Night, night, do your thing. Take it out after a while and give it a nice toss. And then we'll put this back in the oven for another few minutes. What we're looking for is for those tomatoes to pop and release their juices and kind of caramelize here on the pan. You're cooking the gnocchi and making your sauce at the same time. It's great. Go ahead and spread it back out into an even layer again, and we'll put this back in the oven for another maybe 10 minutes before stirring it again. After a second trip to the oven, it kind of looks like this. We're almost done. Stick with me. We're going to add some shaved Parmesan cheese on top of here, and I'm going to add some nutritional yeast. You can add one or both or none, up to you. I'm going to treat my tray to another quick trip to the oven to melt down all my cheeses, but you don't have to do that. Ta-da! Look at this delicious goodness. It's ready to go. The French say, c'est simple comme bonjour. I don't know what the Italians say. If you know, tell me in the comments. So is this easy or what? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so we can make more delicious food together. Grab your screenshot. Personally, I like to serve this with fresh greens like arugula or spinach. See, I told you it was easy, and it was faster than ordering takeout. Voila, bon appetit! If you enjoyed this, check out some of my other videos with other quick dinners. Now I gotta go because I gotta eat this. You watch this next video. See you later. Au revoir, bon appetit, merci. Thanks for staying to the end.